Hi, in this video we're going to show you a nice tool you could use to copy files and folders to multiple directories at once. So this comes in handy if you need to do this on a regular basis and you don't want to have to manually do it each time. You could simply set up the job and then run it whenever needed. Alright, so the program's called Copy Files into Multiple Folders. So there are two versions. There is a standalone version with nothing to install, which I'm running here. So you simply download the zip file and extract it, then run the executable. And then there's an installable version. And there's also a trial/free version that you could use. You just have to look at a nag screen and you don't get any updates or any support. And then there is the licensed version, which is only $19 if you want to check that out, and then you don't have to worry about things like that. All right, so once you open it and get past the nag screen, you'll have your interface here where you have your source and your target with some options here. Then you can see down here you could also set up a scheduled task as well. Okay, so our source files, we're going to copy all of these pictures from the pictures folder. So we'll just drag and drop them in there. You could also click on the add and remove and clear all and add a folder if you want. Save and edit and that type of thing. And then up here we have some options here. If you want to save the operation file, so once you have it configured, you could save the file and then load it and run it again without having to reconfigure it. And we have some view modes here and some settings here for the scheduled task. And then if you go to mode, you have three modes here. You could copy them, you can move them, which will delete the source files and folders, or you can mirror them, which will reset the target folder before copying them over. And then you could keep the original creation date and so on. Okay, so now that we have our source files here, we're going to copy them to these 5 folders here. So we'll just add those to the target section here. Okay, so these are all empty here, as you can see. All right, so now that we have everything configured, we'll go ahead and click on Copy into Target Folders. Say yes to the UAC prompt. You can see here that it's copying everything over. You can cancel it if you like. And you can see everything's showing up within these folders here. All right, so that's done. Now you can see we have all of our pictures there. Okay, so now we're going to clear out the list here. So now we're going to add everything in the Documents folder here. Going into the same folders here. So this will add to it. It's not going to remove what's already there with the default options, that is. And then you can just add these files to it. So we'll go ahead and click the button again. Okay, so now you can see we have the pictures and the documents as well. But they're all kind of mixed together, obviously, because they're all in the same folder. So like I said, once you have your job, you could save the job as an operation file, a COPF file, and then you could load it and run it again. And then of course you're probably going to want to come here and make sure you have the right mode before using it. So if I do this one here to reset target folders, let's see what happens. Okay, now you can see it's only the documents because we reset the target folders and only had the documents here, not the pictures. So that's how that option works. And then of course we have some options down here as well to overwrite existing files, overwrite read-only, and overwrite only if newer. So you could check that out as well if that's something you need to configure on the destination. All right, so as you can see, it's very easy to use. So if this is something you need to do on a regular basis, it might come in handy. All right, so I'll put a link in the description where you could download copy files into multiple folders, and you could try it yourself. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.